Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. I'm filming this, but I don't yet know if this is ever going to go up on my YouTube channel. Right, what are we doing? Why am I filming this? I am going in half an hour. I am going in for the first of three hair appointments. Today, tomorrow and Friday. 3 hair appointments, 3 stages to sort out this mess. I've been using the same colour for a little while. It's by Goldwell Elumen and it sticks. So I have been just getting my roots done, and then my hairdresser has been pulling some of the dye through. But the plan is to move away from this more sort of purpley and into more of a bubblegummy, candy flossy, highlighter, neon-y kind of pink. So just want to remove the purple, and that is going to require stripping the colour. So that is today's session. Try and strip out the colour. That'll be all of it. And tomorrow's session will be to do highlights, and then Friday's session is to put the colour on, and I'm hoping that that all works out really nicely, because then we go into the lion and eyes, mine and the lion's anniversary weekend for our 10th anniversary, 10th wedding anniversary. Whoop, 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 double digits. And we're going to be doing things for our anniversary. So I'd like my hair to look nice. So I am not a fan of sitting in the hairdresser's chair for long periods of time. It does my head in. But yeah, it's going to be an experience. So I will vlog what I can vlog, which is probably not very much because my hairdresser works from home, so I don't want to be showing her house off and everything. She's got her own little salon at home, but I'll try and grab the information on the products that we use, and give you like stage by stage updates. So yeah, nervous. We'll see what happens. I'm doing this. I don't know. It may not go out, but I'm doing it, even if it's for my own reflection. Either way, the roots need sorting. It's a bit bright, and I didn't bring my sunnies, but I'm on my way to the hairdressers.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date.
It's a bit dark, so I am going to catch up with you in the morning. Phase 1 done. Not a total success. Day 2 on the Big Brother, no, day 2 on getting my hair refreshed. So yesterday's session was to strip out some of the colour, and I think it has worked a little bit. We can only leave the product on, and it was one of the Elumen products. If I find the details, I'll pop it up on the screen, but it's a sort of colour stripping thing, but you can't just put it on and then leave it longer for it to work more. You would have to do it in stages. So we did one stage last night, and it has lifted some of the really heavier purple, but not a huge amount. So we thought about doing it a second time last night, but it is a start to finish. It was over 2 hours yesterday, and you have to wash and dry your hair in between, and then reapply it, go under the little heated helmet thing. So we left it at that, and we are upping the bleach in today's session. Today's session was going to be like little highlights, but I think the plan now is to do more highlights and then leave the sort of these darker pieces will be more low lights to give a bit of texture. At the moment you can see I have got texture running through my hair. It's kind of not quite stripy, but it looks like bits of, yeah. So we'll see how that goes. So that is this evening's session. I'm about to smash a cup of tea, finish up work, and then head over. It is glorious and sunny at the moment, and I'm wearing the worst top to come on camera because all the bits of fluff and stuff show up on it. So that's where we're at. It wasn't as effective as we had hoped, but there's always bleach. It's another sunny one.
I can't wait, our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Okay, it's not sunny today and I'm very rushed because work all day, absolutely bang 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 work. So I didn't get to do my little bit to camera and to show you, but this is day 3, about to go in for the 3rd session. So last night's session was lots and lots of highlights, and you can see that's done what the colour remover couldn't do. It's a bit noisy on this road, isn't it? Let's move down a little bit further away from the road. It's a very pleasant little walk to the hairdressers. I've got a plane going over as well. So, yeah. So today has been a very, 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 very busy day. And this is where we're at. So it's going to be colour. It's going to be colour going on. And we don't know how it's going to turn out. Little birds tweeting. We don't know how it's going to turn out, but we will. It's all experiments. But I have to say, I am very much enjoying this kind of candy floss, and yeah, graduated. So hopefully the colour will take nicely, and yeah, there's nothing to it but to get down to it and see how it all goes. Wish me luck. And I forgot, I need to show you my new coat. I absolutely love it. It's very, very cute. It suits me, and it's Barber, which is the law. If you live in the countryside in the UK, in England, you have to wear Barber. It's the law. But I will do a proper little show of this because I think it's brilliant.
You got it all on tap.
I'm excited to see how this turns out. Looks quite dark on, but
listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time.
Oh well, hello. It's actually Sunday. It's Sunday afternoon. My final session on the hair was on Friday, and this is the end result. It is a bit more, it's less of the sort of purpley pink and more of a sort of bubblegummy pink with a little bit of rosy kind of tint in there. So I do still have some of the purpley that was left over from the highlights and everything, but this is more what I wanted to go for. This is more of the sort of lighter bubblegum pink. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted to go for. I found the electric purple pink quite difficult to style with colours other than just plain black and white directly here. This lighter shade of pink is actually going to make things quite a bit easier for me. I mean, it's not going to allow me, this is my Garfield oversized t-shirt dress thing. It's not really going to allow me to wear yellows and oranges and things like that. It would still clash, but it will open up the door for wearing pinks and more of the greens that I like to wear these days. So all in all, 3 sessions. The products were all Goldwell Elumen, and I'll have a link to that website down below. That's what my hairdresser uses, and she put in an epic 3-day, I think it was about 9 hours in total. Didn't get home until quite late on Friday night, which is why I didn't film anything. The lighting would have been terrible anyway. And then yesterday, Saturday, I had chores to do in the morning, then get ready, and we went out for a long late lunch with our besties. Came home, I was editing a video, and yeah, so I didn't get to do the update until today. But what do you think? And what do you think compared to the sort of electric purpley pink? This is going to fade to a really nice kind of candy floss kind of pink, I think. And yeah, it took a lot of time, but now it should just be freshen ups with the colour and the occasional highlights. And I do think that this will blend better with the grey as my hair grows and I get all the regrowth. So I hope I haven't really forgotten anything. Let me know what you think of the new locks, and yeah, I'll see you, yes you, boop, for the next normal video with my new hair very, very soon. Until then, stay pink, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!